Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular looking at our lovely little 118DM Sport. Obviously this is the two-door coupe, great looking car, almost timeless I guess, well certainly in my opinion. We've just done a major service on it, including cam chain, so this car is really ready to go. It comes with an RAC warranty, which basically means if geographically you don't live that close to us, you can go to any VAT registered garage near yourself and they can liaise with the RAC themselves. They just won't pay main dealer labour rates, it's worth mentioning. There's no admin fee with us, so literally the price you see is the price you pay. Like I say, stunning car these are. So let's show you around. So obviously the nice thing with this one, we've got parking sensors here on the front. The alloys, obviously with the black mirrors as well, with the privacy glass on the back. Yes, a stunning looking car. Okay, someone's gone with a little bit of blue on the caliper. If you don't like it, we can change that. Just spray them a different colour for you. To get in the rear, all we do, lift the pad there, and then the whole seat slides forward. As you can see, great condition, no issues in there whatsoever. All these key areas on the back of the seat and so on down here, which can get sort of damaged with wear. No such problems. To be fair, it doesn't look like it's been sat in a great deal in the back there. And then as you look all down here, all great condition, no problems at all. All the stitching, etc. No scratches, no tears, no marks. Same with all the dash all across there. And the key areas in here which can show signs of wear, we have no problems at all. And then on the door card, again, no problems in these areas that can get damaged. And then moving round to the rear, obviously a keen-eyed view, we'll see obviously parking sensors for the rear as well. Good size boot on these, and to get in, you just a little pressure pad under here. And then we're in. And as you can see, this one, if you look in, you can just see, there we go, you can fold the seats down. It's not always the case on these. And that's all operated with these here. You can just pick out that lever there, and then that lever there. So you can fold those down if you need to. And still got the original hazard triangle there. Hope the camera's doing it justice, because like I say, this one, yeah, great. So then show you again then from the busiest door of the car. Same principle, this on here, just lift that and then the seat will slide forward. There you go. And again, the back of the seat, okay, I should maybe hold it, let me tip it forward again. There we go. As you can see, all the backs of the seat's all good. And then it just slides back and then locks into place. It's pretty much the same with the BMWs really, on the height adjustment and so on there. But again, look at these seats, great condition, no problems with their stitching and so on. And the same with the driver's door card, look, all this area here and here, you know, busiest door of the car, and we have no marks on it at all. And sitting in here, all your lights are this side. Multi-function steering wheel, sort of in a fairly basic form to be fair, but you've still got one nonetheless. All the wipers are this side, indicators main beam here, and then this one's also got a little bit of cruise control here as well. And the way they work with the BM on this one is just a push button with the key, so you just slot that in, touch the button, and then she'll all come alive. There we go, let's turn that down. So dual zone with the heating, so you can have this side hot or cold, look. Let it work it separate to the passenger side. Depends on which one of you's got cold feet or not. And then, let me just turn that off, it's telling us the door's open. And then as you can see as well, heated seats also. And a straightforward 6-speed gearbox. So there you have it, there is our lovely 118DM Sport, like I say. Just had major service work done, so it is well and truly ready to go. So do pick up the phone, to make an appointment to view it. Don't just rock up. That way we can take the car off sale if we know you're committed to a journey, or indeed we don't want you to have a wasted journey. Thanks for looking.